What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chuds BBQ. My name is Bradley Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how we made these. Beautiful, delicious, smoky, mop sauced, tender, amazing direct heat ribs at Sizzlefest here in England. Just look at the color. Coming up, we are here in Southampton, England for Sizzlefest. We did this festival back in 2023. Big barbecue fest, a lot of good food, a lot of people. And we're back, we're cooking some ribs. But before we get to that, I'm going to rewind it back a few days to show you what we got up to while traveling around England. And then we'll pick it back up. Fresh off the plane, we have made it to good old-fashioned England. Just flew into London. We left Austin at 10 p.m. last night, 9-hour flight. It's now like 3 p.m. and I didn't sleep at all. How was your guys' flight?
Did not sleep. Terrible. I slept a little bit.
Don't feel great right now, but we're gonna grab some grub. Oh God, we're about to get hit by a car. We're at this place that we just kind of pulled off the road and found called The Hatch here in Basingstoke, England. Time for some good old-fashioned British food. It's been a long day. I think we just got the most British plate possible.
Yeah.
Got some bangers in a Yorkshire pudding, aka
Toad in a hole.
Toad in a hole.
They're Cumberland sausages.
Oh, they are, that's right. Some mashed taters. What's it called?
It's
Champ?
Bubble and squeak.
Oh, that's right.
It's so British.
That's got to be gravy of some sort.
Yeah.
And what's this, a meat pie?
It's a steak and ale pie with chips and gravy.
Yeah.
Caramelized onions.
Toad in a hole. Okay. It's good sausage. Gravy's nice and flavorful too.
I'm a big fan of this.
I mean, you got sausage gravy in a Yorkshire pudding.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong. First thing you said when we booked this trip is how much you want a meat pie.
And here it is.
Within an hour of us being here.
Douse it.
Oops.
More.
Made it to our Airbnb here in Salisbury, England, a lovely town. We actually got in last night. Got settled after eating the most British meal I think I've ever had with that toad in a hole, which was fantastic. Bubble and squeak.
Yeah, steak and ale pie.
Those pies are good.
Yeah.
Might have to get another one of those. But we got in last night. We had a couple of pints at a local brewery. And then we ended up at this really cool restaurant for a little late night snack called Texin, T-X-I-N, which is this new barbecue / Indian kind of fusion-y spot that just opened up like 6 weeks ago. And last night was wing night, so that's all they were serving. But the wings were very tasty. Boys, what'd you think?
They were great. Sticky kind of, what was it, Bombay sauce?
Yep.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, it was funny because we thought they were going to be individual wings, so we ordered 20 wings.
20.
But they were the whole wing, so we actually got 40 wings. And we actually knocked them all out, which was pretty impressive after that heavy meal we had earlier in the day. But yeah, Texin, pretty cool spot. They got some cool smokers upstairs. They're doing brisket and pork belly and stuff like that. So definitely be sure to check them out if you're in the area. But today we spent most of the day just kind of bopping around Salisbury. It's a quiet little town, pretty British looking. We were just at the cathedral, which was very cool. That building is gigantic. And it's a pretty nice little sleepy town. How you liking Salisbury, England?
Pretty great. It's nice. It's quaint.
And now we're back at the Airbnb. Matt just whipped up a couple of toasties because, you know, British food, gotta be done. And they were really good. Matt, what was your secret to making the toasties so delicious?
On sale now.
And one other thing about where we're staying is we're actually pretty close to Stonehenge, but I don't think we need to go because we've got our own version right here at the Airbnb. Now we can say we've been to Stonehenge, right?
Yeah. Good enough.
Close enough.
Yeah.
What happened to your butt?
Oops.
Can you open the window?
Just kidding. We came anyway.
A little better than the photo.
Cool. Had a lovely lunch on our way home from Stonehenge, a restaurant called The Great Bustard, which does not sound as good.
Busted.
Yeah, it sounds a lot better with an English accent. But it was a nice place, pretty fancy, pretty close to the old henge. That is a good looking roll. Parker House roll with honey and whatnot on there.
Mushroom soup.
And highlights from that were probably the braised beef shin. Little braised beef shin action. Little mackerel on rye.
I love mackerel.
I know you do. It was really good.
This one was really good.
Blood pudding,
Scotch egg.
That blood pudding scotch
I
egg.
feel like there was a lot of highlights.
Yeah, it was all
There was a
really
lot of
good.
food.
But that duck breast, that was fantastic. But
And the frites.
the frites,
Turtle
best
sauce.
frites we've had in all of
Yeah.
our European UK travels. What are we doing now, Bones?
I'm gonna go see what we can drink.
What are you munching on over here?
Prawn cocktail Pringles, of course.
I just saw you dipping them into something too.
Little bovril.
A little bovril.
Oh yeah, this is the good stuff.
Beef bovril. That doesn't count as eating something weird, by the way.
No.
But while we're here, I think it's time for another episode of Bones Try Something Weird. What do we got that's weirder than a shrimp-flavored Pringle dipped in beef paste?
So there's a Polish store across the street from us. And we got this. Cheese-stuffed meat stick. I don't know what it says, but we're gonna try it out.
I can smell it from here.
Oh, it's greasy. Oh,
It smells like
that smells bad.
it smells like a dog treat.
It smells like fart.
That's probably me.
Oh.
You are just that meme every time you do this.
It's honestly, it tastes great. The smell is awful. The initial bite, like the texture is really weird, but once you start chewing on it, it's pretty good.
All right, Polish meat stick.
I'd eat this.
It smells a lot like bacon and canned dog food. How you doing? It tastes like a salami or something of the sort.
Yeah.
With weird cheese stuffed in there. Oh!
So bad.
That's the most tangy toot I've ever
It
smelled.
must be, they put like nitrogen in the bags. I think that's what it is. Like a weird smell of gas.
Take a big huff.
It's starting to smell better. You gotta air it out a bit.
It's a good little snack though. It's like a cheesy hot dog.
Why is it so soft?
Not for you?
Not to your taste.
I like the regular one better.
The regular ones are terrible.
All right, I think we're gonna hit the pubs, and we'll probably check back in with you tomorrow unless we find something else to eat. Every time we come across the pond, this moment is inevitable. Bones found himself some sort of kebab late at night after a bunch of pints, and we get to try to watch him eat it.
I can't pick it up. I don't know what to do.
That's just a mound of food.
Oh my god. Okay. I think I got it. Here we go. Yep, this is it.
Pretty good.
Let me know if you need a napkin at any point during this pile of food.
No, I'll be fine.
Made it to Southampton here in the south of England. We were here, 2 years ago for Sizzlefest?
Yeah.
And we are back. Lovely town, lovely day. Joined by Bruce Worldwide. How you doing, buddy?
Bruce Worldwide.
We're about to head over to the festival. It is the night before, but we're going to see what's going on. I think there's like a meet and greet going on. Or
Yeah, I think it's for VIP ticket holders. They're doing some sort of pre-event dinner hangout.
Will they have beer and food?
They're gonna have beer and food, yes.
Coming up. Made it to SoCal barbecue supply store here in Southampton, and this place is awesome. They've got so much good stuff. Bunch of Yeti stuff, bunch of Gosneys, egg, pellet grills, Matt's favorite section.
My favorite section's over there.
Okay. Matt, what's your favorite cast iron here?
Over here.
That looks heavy.
Heavy. Perfect for terrines.
Is that all you ever think about is terrines?
It's not all I ever think about bread, but you could bake bread in it.
And look at the rub wall. Pretty much everything you'll ever need, including Chuds BBQ.
Also know it. SoCal.ca.
Chud Chimney's made it over here too, fresh off the boat. Mill Scale made it over here as well. Beautiful looking grill. Hey. Late night at Sizzlefest, day -1, and we ran into Dave.
Hello.
How you doing, buddy?
Very good. How are you?
Pretty good. Well, while I got you guys here, can you tell me what Sizzlefest is and what it's all about?
Sizzlefest is the celebration of the UK barbecue community, where we bring together people from all walks of life, from the Daves to the Chuds of the world, and we celebrate the best and the brightest that is barbecue.
It smells really good. There's smoke in the air. We got live music already, and the festival hasn't even started yet. But to get ready for it, we're doing a brisket trim demo tomorrow, so we got to get a brisket cooking tonight/tomorrow. So we're gonna get one trimmed up right now. And we got the tree surgeon in the back. How you doing, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Thank you for bringing us 3 Chud boxes today.
That's all right.
And the wood.
And some wood.
The tree surgeon always comes clutch with the wood. What do we call tree surgeons in America?
A lumberjack?
A lumberjack?
I think lumberjack sounds better.
Yeah, me too. All right, we're,
Yeah.
we're here with the lumberjack. So Dave, tell me about this brisket we got here.
So this is an Australian brisket, slightly different shape to what you're going to be used to and what we're used to be honest. But it's going to be grain fed, so it's going to be more likely to not be lean. It's going to taste more like an American USDA grain fed brisket as well.
Looking pretty meaty. And as always, we're gonna Pat, try. All right, let's take a look at this thing, shall we? Oh, it weighs so much. Definitely big lop off on this side. So we lost a little bit of point meat, but a lot of this hard fat is gone too, so not the worst thing in the world. A little scraggly, couple of scalps. We got to show those off now so no one blames me for doing it. But all in all, this should shape up pretty nice. And now we're just gonna try and make this as pretty as we can while wearing medium-sized gloves. Not the best looking trim, but we'll take what we can get with these scalped briskets. But I guess we'll cook this tomorrow. Day is officially here. Sizzlefest has begun, and everyone is looking bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. How we feeling, group?
Fantastic.
Wonderful.
We definitely didn't go out way too late last night, and definitely didn't get here super early in the morning. How you feeling, Dave?
Great, really, really good. Freshest I've felt in a long time.
But it's a beautiful day here at Sizzlefest. Just fired up 3 Chud boxes because we're going to be cooking about, 16 racks of ribs. And we're getting those trimmed up and seasoned up right now. We're doing some direct heat pork ribs. Pretty simple cook on the Chud box. And we're going to be giving out free samples in probably about 3 hours, which is the beauty of direct heat ribs, is not a very long cook. So going down with some simple Chuds BBQ SPG, simple charcoal cook. And it should be a beautiful day. And it's like 60 degrees out here right now, and it feels absolutely fantastic.
During lockdown, just afterwards.
Beauty.
Can I be a fanboy? Get me a selfie? Can we get those in as well?
You know one thing when I watch you, I'm quite. We're in the books.
How's the brisket cook going so far?
I think pretty good.
This is the one we trimmed up last night. Got it on bright and early. Looking good, nice and barky. Got this TMG pit. I like this thing.
Yeah, it's cooking real nice. Real nice. It's like real shut down as well. And it's drawing hard.
Beautiful 250. Has anybody seen Matt James today?
No.
Is he alive?
Maybe. Definitely maybe. Questionable. You probably.
All right, what's the over-under of him actually showing up at all?
I don't know what over.
Yeah, me neither. I've heard people say it. I'm gonna give it a solid maybe at some point. Ooh, what do we got here, chef?
The picanha, this baby right here.
Ooh, beautiful cook on that.
We serve it on a brioche bun with a homemade chimichurri mayo, and then we top it up with an andouille chimichurri.
Love it. A little choripan as well.
Yes, sir.
Into it, 14.15.
Choripana from Banquet, Argentinian sausage and chimichurri. That's good.
Bringing you back to life.
That's very good.
Beautiful looking picanha too. I just had a bite of that. Very tender. Nicely salted as well.
Yeah.
All mic'd up. Me and Dave are about to go do a demo in front of a bunch of people and talk about how to trim a brisket properly. It's an Australian brisket, so it's got a pretty big gash in it, like the one from last night. So hoping for the best on this one.
This will be cooked up and served later on the fire stage, so do stick around.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Brad. This is Dave, Chud/Wilson, if you want to go by our monikers. Today we're talking about trimming a brisket. This one is massive, if you haven't noticed. And you know, brisket is kind of king of Texas barbecue, and it's really simple and really difficult, depending on how you look at it. Because there's so few steps and procedures involved, you really have to nail each one of them perfectly to get the best results. One of the most important parts is getting the brisket trimmed properly. Giant chunk of meat right here. This is the boob, the breast of the cow. Very tough muscle. It's actually 2 different muscles.
Every single year it gets better and better.
Made a pretty classic mop sauce, vinegar-based hot sauce. Look at the color on these bad boys. It smells so good.
They look perfect. Smells so good.
Beautiful. Really is a sight of beauty, folks. How's it smell?
Fantastic.
Tell me about the dish.
So we have a yellow pea friola, beef cheek that we smoked for 3 hours. Then we confit them for another 3 hours. Then we have a horseradish and dill sauce and some lingonberry onion chili pickle.
Beautiful.
Like our Swedish take on a taco.
Beautiful. Thank you, boys.
Enjoy it.
Also, side note, how tall are you, dude?
7 foot.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never felt this short. Appreciate it, guys. Hi, Sam.
Hello, sweetheart.
Beautiful. So beefy, so good.
Juicy, tender.
Ribs are wrapped and coming off, getting a final mop. Matt James hasn't showed up, so he's not dead. That's good. They smell incredible, and people are getting anxious, Dave.
For sure. They've been on a while. They smell incredible. They made the whole place smell just better than the vendors.
Yeah. There's a lot of people waiting, so now we got to get to slicing.
Good.
It's okay. It's okay. So with that in mind, so what you've done here, you've charred up your peppers. That's the butter chicken. Nothing else in the butter.
It's a lot of ribs. Looking pretty good though.
So what about the black though? Some people season. You don't like
Sam, how is it?
Delightful, beautiful, succulent.
Oops! The brisket has finally come off the pit. All the ribs are gone. The brisket is resting right here, looking very nice. And now we're gonna apparently go on stage and slice it and feed as many people as we can. Little bites. So hopefully like 40 people.
We definitely haven't got enough brisket for everyone.
I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. How's it feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling very good.
Yeah! Boys, go Dave!
Let's go, Dave! Let's go, Talking!
And to the side man, who wants to see the cup? Make some noise! This is a juicy brisket. We're gonna get the insight from the pit masters in just one moment. What?
So catch up with guys. Just a few words about this amazing piece of brisket. Make some noise for Chuds BBQ, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise all the way from Texas, USA. Make some noise for Wilson. Tell us about this brisket.
This brisket was smoked for like 12 hours today. Let's give it up to Dave. Look at that slice here. Come on. And he looks so good, how he does it.
We're here at 6:30 a.m. to get the smoke up to temperature, to start smoking it from around 8. So, you know. Pit Master's got it.
Watch out, they're descending.
This could be the quickest brisket takeover ever. That taste of that brisket, you can also.
That's honestly the most impressive thing I've ever seen in my life. And just like that, Sizzlefest is a wrap. Brisket was phenomenal. I have never seen an entire brisket get eaten that quickly. That was wild. But big shout out to the guys at Sizzlefest. This was an amazing event, but we gotta pack up, so I'll check back in a little bit. All right, y'all, and that is it. That is going to conclude episode 1 of English Adventures 2025. Big shout out to the folks at SoCal here in Southampton, England, and putting on Sizzlefest. That really was an amazing time. A lot of people showed up. Everyone was super friendly. The food was incredible. The beers were flowing, and it felt just like a good old-fashioned barbecue fest. And if you're ever in the area, I highly recommend checking it out. It's a blast. And also, I've never seen that many ribs disappear so quickly, and the fact that I watched an entire brisket get eaten in like 20 seconds might be the most wild thing I've seen in barbecue. But everyone loved the food, and I'm super happy that those Chud boxes were here, which are now sold at SoCal and Pro Smoke, where we may be heading next. And that's because the English adventure is not over yet. We're here for another week. We're gonna head to London right about now, probably eat some great food, and cook some more barbecue, but you'll have to tune in next week to see that one. But all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that subscribe button. Let YouTube know by dropping a like on this video. If you were at Sizzlefest, let me know in the comment section down below. It was great to see everybody. Big shout out to all the Team Chud members. Thank you for supporting this channel and allowing me to keep making all these videos. And until the next time I see you, please go cook something outside. Peace.